Assalamu alaikum. I'm Malik Farooq. For class 11th, we are dealing with cell, the unit of life, and today our topic is parts of nucleus. We were dealing lastly cell organelles, and पिछली बार हमने न्यूक्लियस के बारे में लेक्चर दिया था, तो आज हम पढ़ेंगे पार्ट्स ऑफ न्यूक्लियस. A typical nucleus have 5 parts: nuclear envelope, nucleoplasm, nuclear matrix, chromatin and nucleolus. A typical न्यूक्लियस के जो हैं, एक न्यूक्लियस की 4-5 पार्ट्स होते हैं, 5 पार्ट्स होते हैं. न्यूक्लियर इन्वेलोप हो गया जिसमें ये कैद है, न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म अंदर वाला रस, न्यूक्लियर मैट्रिक्स, क्रोमोटिन एंड न्यूक्लियोलस. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट विद द न्यूक्लियर इन्वेलोप. इसको हम दूसरा नाम जो देते हैं वो है कैरियोथेका और न्यूक्लियोलीमा. इरकैब was a scientist, biologist who discovered it in 1845 or again by Hartwig in 1893. It's a double membrane covering of the nucleus which separates nucleus from cytoplasm. The two membranes of nuclear envelope are similar to the lipoprotein cell membranes with a thickness of 60 to 90 angstroms. The outer membrane are similar of the outer membrane often bears ribosomes on its cytoplasm surface. It's also connected with the rough endoplasmic reticulum. The inner membrane endokaryotheca is smooth on both sides of its surface. The two membranes separated by a space called perinuclear space. It is 100 to 500 angstroms in thickness and 10 to 50 angstroms in width. Perinuclear space is continuous with channels of endoplasmic reticulum and is therefore connected to almost all parts of the cells. Nuclear envelope bears a number of perforations called nuclear pores. The two membranes of nuclear envelope becomes continuous on the margins of these pores. The number of pores per nuclear varies from 150 in the nucleus of mature erythrocyte, for example a frog, to 30 million per nucleus in its oocytes. The pores are 400 to 1000 angstroms in diameter. They are circular or polygonal, more commonly octagonal in outline. Nuclear pores are not simple, often channels, but often passes extra materials like bulbous, diaphragm, septum, plug, nucleoplasmin, granules, and annuli are microcylinders. A pore with additional structure is known as nuclear pore complex or NPC. So they are constructed of proteins called nucleoporins. A common pore complex consists of 9 microcylinders, 8 peripheral and 1 wider central. Instead, there may be granules and fibers. Nuclear pores are highly selective in their permeation. They allow outward passage of newly formed ribosomes units but prevent the entry of units of active ribosomes. Proteins synthesized in the cytoplasm enter the nucleus through the nuclear pores, but ions like potassium, sodium, or chlorine may not be able to gain entrance. Nuclear envelope breaks up into small fragments or vesicles at the time of nuclear division. A nuclear envelope is formed after telophase around the chromosome group from parts of old envelope and endoplasmic reticulum. For this involuted endoplasmic reticulum with even pores complex has been observed in certain cases. Now functions. Nuclear envelope separates the nuclear material from the cytoplasm. It prevents entry of active ribosomes, enzymes and mutagenic chemicals into nucleus. It provides shape to the nucleus through the perinuclear space and channels of endoplasmic reticulum. It connects nucleus with the other cellular components. Nuclear pores regulate the flow of substance into and out of the nucleus. Outer membranes of nuclear envelope is the seat of synthesis of specialized protein, enzymes, antibiotics and other biochemicals. तो हमारा जो दूसरा लेक्चर होगा वो है इसी न्यूक्लियस का दूसरा पार्ट, दैट इज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म, और जिसको हम बोलते हैं कैरियोप्लाज्म. सो थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो. Parts up to the first part, nuclear envelope. Thank you.